In this video I will show you how to join the Guta affiliate program. So to do this you will need to use Impact. Impact is an affiliate program marketplace where many brands are hosted. On Impact there are over 5,000 affiliate programs, including the one that you want to join. It can be a bit difficult to create an Impact account, join the marketplace, apply to brands and actually get accepted. So that's why I created a full guide on how to use Impact for affiliate marketing and actually get your affiliate links to promote. In that video I go over different aspects such as how to join the marketplace, get accepted by brands and get your affiliate links. So I will link that video down in the description and you can go ahead and watch that as well. So if you already have an Impact account set up, just click on brands in the top and then click on find brands. Then here click on all brands. And here in the search bar, just search up the brand that you want to join. So for example, I will do Upwork, but this can be any brand because the brand that I am making this video about is on Impact. So then you will see the brand and then just click on apply. Now if you want to know what exactly you should write right here to get accepted to this specific affiliate program, go ahead and watch the video linked in the description. So that's how to join the Guta affiliate program. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. And with that being said, I will see you in the next video.